Hello everyone, so welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be talking about a different topic called as directories and how you can find untapped B2B niches for your next directory product idea, right? So first of all, what is a directory? Basically, directory is nothing but you collect some valuable data, you package it as a product database, and you sell it to customers. The reason I'm doing this video is like people always build some generic directories like marketing related directories, startup directories, strategies related directories, generic directories is what I'm talking about. But these are some of the directories that you can easily find on internet, and the main thing is that you sell those directories to an individual customers, right? Where you cannot charge a premium to them. The real money is in the untapped B2B niches. So in this video, I'll be talking exactly how you can find those undervalued B2B niches and how you can charge a premium to them. You can even charge $3.99 to $4.99 depending on your product. But the reason is that this product you're selling to a business or a company which has a lot of money in the bank, right? You cannot charge a premium to an individual. So the more more you target those companies or businesses, the more money you can make in this directory product business, right? So in this video I will be going through a blueprint that you can easily follow to find those B2B niches, and then also get some ideas related to those B2B niches. So first of all, you should target industries where directories are not much talked about. In this way you can stand out and there's no competition involved, right? So example, woodwork and golf. Imagine you are building a directory with some really valuable data which helps those who do woodworking or golf, right? Of course these are it will depend if it's a B2B or B2C niche. Either you're selling it to an individual customer or you're selling it to a business. But the main thing is like you build a directory where the directory idea itself is not much talked about, and it's not the top of the town. So you find those niches and you start building a directory around that niche, right? So this way you easily stand out from the competition and you can sell those directories, right? And also an important part is like whether it makes a commercial sense. So even if you have picked a niche, a very different kind of a niche, but would people pay in that niche for a directory product, right? So it also depends like how valuable your data is it like a highly commercial niche where people buy products and services in that niche, right? Otherwise you might just create a directory in a niche where people don't even bother buying because it doesn't solve an acute problem with your directory, right? So a great example I would say is real estate, because a real estate, there's a lot of buy and sell transactions going on. The average order value of a basic real estate product is huge, right? So if you create some valuable data, let's suppose you're selling to real estate brokers and it's a very valuable data, they will be compelled to purchase a product, right? Your product, directory product. So that one thing you should also consider while building a directory, right? Your niche. And that is an important part of entire ideation of a directory product. But right now in this video I'll be talking like how you can find those B2B niches, untapped B2B niches, those niches where you can easily stand out from the competition, right? So let's go into it. So first of all, go to amazon.com and go to bestsellers. I'm into bestsellers, and here you can find some lot of categories on the left hand side, right? So these are some of the products categories where you can build a directory. So for example, if I go to, let's suppose, patio, lawn and garden, okay, here you can find more sub niches. Now what I will do is, right, I'll just take a screenshot of this, okay, and I will copy it and go to chat.deepseek.com. So it's an alternative to ChatGPT, but it's a more nuanced version where this model takes some time to think and it's a new model, right? And it takes some time to think, and it's almost comparable to the latest ChatGPT O1 model. So it depends on when you are watching this video. Currently, ChatGPT released an O1 model, and this DeepThink R1 model is almost comparable to the O1 model. Okay, so depending on when you are watching this video, this DeepSeek R is releasing more and more models. But right now, as I'm recording this video, we have DeepThink R1. So go to chat.deepseek.com. I've already got a screenshot copied and paste it over here, and copy this prompt. Okay, so this prompt is basically, I'm building a directory product. Can you give me at least 3 ideas in each niche in this screenshot? It should make sense as a directory where I can collect data and package it as a directory product, right? It should solve the pain points of the target audience in that niche. And I shared a format, and I'll just enter. So it will start thinking about the prompt that I have shared, and it will give me some directory product ideas where it makes sense and it solves pain points of the users in those niches, right? So it thought for 13 seconds, and it gave me 3 ideas. So so the first was patio, lawn and garden, right? So in this difficulty finding certified landscapers for complex projects. So directory ID is Certified Landscapers Network, a directory of vetted professionals with specialities, right? Benefit is users save time verifying credentials and ensure quality work, right? So this kind of idea. So you can get a lot of ideas from this prompt, as well as from Amazon.com, direct categories and subcategories. Here we have farm and ranch, gardening, generators and portable power, grills and outdoor cooking, and lots of other stuff. Pools, hot tubs and supplies, snow removal, and there's a lot of ideas that you can get from these sub niches, right? And even you can like go back, and if you maybe go to probably, let's suppose, collectible coins. It's an interesting niche, right? So you can get coins, it's an individual coins. Maybe let's see something else. Maybe you go to pet supplies. Pet supplies, you have birds, cat, dog, and a lot of other sub niches in this category. So this way you can build a directory in a very, what I would say, a very different kind of niche, where directory itself is not much talked about, but it solves the pain point of that target audience. Okay, so this video is particularly about finding untapped niches and ideas, and not talking about marketing in this product. Obviously, marketing your directory, it will be a different, it's a different strategy altogether. Maybe I'll do some video later on, but particularly this video is all about finding those untapped niches, right? Untapped B2B niches. And if you want to find B2B, just edit the prompt to B2B, right? Now there's one more thing that I got is like Capterra. So Capterra is basically for software, software related reviews. You can get a lot of what I would say, reviews of software products, right? So go to capterra.com and /categories, and here you will find almost 900 plus categories of software products, right? Software categories. So what you can do is like just replicate what I did for this. Just get a screenshot of like probably the top 10, and tell chat.deepseek.com that I have got the screenshot. Can you give me around like 3 to 4 directory ideas in this software category which solves a pain point, and a directory product would make sense for those categories, right? Now what you can do is like get those ideas and then target those niches, and you even already have all the softwares in those categories, right? So if I click on absence management software, you already have this software products. That means basically if you create a directory product in this niche, you already know which are the companies which can be your future customers, right? So these are your future customers, right? Absence management software. So you can create a directory product in this particular niches, and you already know the target audience, so it's quite easy to even sell to them. Maybe you can just cold email those companies and just market. You can find those marketing managers in those companies and just cold email them regarding directory product. It's a good idea to get started with. So in this way you can easily find some untapped B2B niches and some niches with Amazon.com as well. Here you can find a lots and lots of directory niches. Like if you go to grocery and government food, you can find some amazing untapped niches where you can build a directory product. So that's about it in this video. Also, I wanted to share one more product which is called as rapcourse.com. So this is my video course where I am sharing how you can build a directory product with no code and AI. And recently I released a new tutorial on how to start a directory product with AI coding platforms with absolutely no coding skills required. You just have to type in some prompts and a directory product will be created with this AI coding platforms. It's an amazing kind of development that we can see in the AI world. So why not leverage it, right, to build a directory product? So I would recommend you to check out this course and get access. I'm currently running a $20 off on the next 4 deals. You can go to rapcourse.com and check it out, my course on building directories. Yeah, you can also find some course content what you can expect in this online course. So I hope you got some value out of this out of this video on how you can find untapped B2B niches or untapped niches for your next directory product, and how you can stand out, right? Maybe in the later parts of later videos on in my future videos, I'll be also talking about how exactly you can sell those directories to the target audience and get some good sales. So see you in my next video. Thank you.